As I'm sure you have heard, GMB is dead. What's happening? How do you access your Google business profile using the Google Maps app on your phone? How do you access your Google business profile using the Google Maps app on your phone? As mentioned, GMB, Google My Business app, is dead, or it's going to be dead. So, what you have to do in order to access your Google Business profile, to manage it and to respond to uh, reviews and posts, aside from using it on desktop, this is how you do it on your phone. This is how you access your Google Business profile using Google Maps on your phone. So up at the top right, you'll open up the Google Maps app, obviously, like I have here. You'll see that Dr. Lacroix is there. He's a great pediatric dentist, and Wags Steak and Seafood, amazing restaurant here in Sarnia. Anyways, but that's besides the point. That is besides the point. So you opened up your app. Now, up at the top, you'll see your profile picture. As you see mine, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that, and that's going to take us to this next page, this next menu. There's my name right there, and then if you click on your business profiles, you will be taken to a list of your business profiles. If it's only one, then you'll see your business there, and then you can access it that way. So this is how you access your Google Business profile using Google Maps, the Google Maps app.